This video goes over how to add new users to your Google Ads account. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this video, start at ads.google.com. Make sure you're in the account that you'd like to be in. Next, you scroll over to Admin on the left and click Access and Security. Here, you'll see any users that you already have in your account. If you need to remove someone, click Remove Access all the way to the right under Actions. If you need to add someone, click the plus, enter their email address. If you need their access to only last a certain amount of time, you can put the limit here. And then let Google know how much access you want the person to have. Email only, billing, read only, standard, and admin. Once you make your selection, click Send Invitation. The person will then receive an invite in their email account that the invite was sent to. They can then click Accept and they'll have access to your account. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.